Can we download Pinterest videos to our gallery? In today's video, we're going to be figuring out whether we can download Pinterest videos to our phone's gallery easily or not in just a few steps. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and go to pinterest.com, or alternatively, if you have Pinterest app, you can simply open the Pinterest app itself. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply find the video that you want to download. Let's go to the search bar and simply search for some video. Let's say this is the video that we want to download. Let's tap on the three dots at the top right corner, as you can see at the top. And simply what you need to do is tap on it and click on download. As you can see, we have only an option that says download image. Let's do that. Once you've done that, simply tap on open in. Click on open in downloads. Now let's tap on it. As you can see here, it has been downloaded as a picture, but if we want to download it as a video, we can download it through Pinterest video downloader website. So if you want to do that, you can just paste the copied link into the downloader search box and just tap download. And that's it. That's how we can download Pinterest videos.